Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day. Today we are going to be drawing a little baby mouse. So to start, I have a Sharpie, and I would highly recommend you guys start with pencil and eraser, but I always like to draw with Sharpie on these videos just because I feel like it's easier for you guys to see. So to start my little baby mouse, I'm going to start with just a little dot in the middle of my canvas or paper, whatever you're working on, and I'm going to color it in black and just leave a little sparkle showing. This is going to be our mouse's nose. So after we have the nose, we're going to go ahead and draw the face. So the head of our mouse is going to come up from the nose and around and then back down to the nose. So it's a little narrow. It's the lines are a little close together here, and then it gets a little wider and round on top. So it's almost like, it reminds me of almost like an upside down raindrop. So after you have the mouse head, we're gonna go ahead and add the eyes. So my mouse's eyes are gonna be like here to the side, and again, look at, I'm adding like a little sparkle because I love adding sparkles to my eyes. So little mouse eyes, and I'm gonna color these in. If you guys want to add like little eyebrows or eyelashes, you can always do that. All right, so after you have the eyes and nose, we're actually done with the face except for the ears. We got to get the big round mouse ears on. So I always draw two curves for my mouse ears so that I can do that little pinky middle in the middle of my ear. So they're big, they're pretty big circles. All right, after you have your mouse ears on, we're gonna go ahead and move down to the mouse body. So the mouse's body is gonna start, I'm not gonna start at the nose, I'm gonna start kind of like on the cheeks here, and I'm gonna go down and around like that. And it's almost like the opposite of the face. The face was kind of narrow at the bottom and then big and round at the top. This is gonna be narrow where the neck is and big and round, you know, down at the bottom of the mouse. So after we have the body drawn, I'm gonna go ahead and add some arms on here. So my arms, I'm just gonna have like a little loop like this. And that's one arm. And I'm gonna kind of come in from the other side, like that. And those are just the little arms. And I'm gonna put little lines on here to make them look like they're arms. And if you guys want your mouse to be holding something, you can. So you can put like a little flower in there, or a heart, or a present, anything that you think that, or maybe a piece of cheese, because that's what mice eat, right? All right, so after you have this part done, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a little polka dot on the belly. So to do that, I'm gonna draw like a line up here, and a line up here, and I'm gonna come down here underneath the arm, and I'm gonna draw kind of like a loop, like that, so that my mouse can have kind of like a little pinky belly. And then for my mouse feet, I'm only, because we already have his arms, so we've got two arms here, we gotta have the feet. So the feet, I'm just gonna have them kind of like poking out from the sides here, like that. And if you guys wanna put the little toe lines on there, you can. Sometimes I'll put like little lines in there to make them look a little more like feet. And then after you have your feet on, we're gonna put our mouse's tail on. So the tails, like for mice, they're actually really long and thin. So I'm gonna start way down here, kind of by this foot here. And I'm gonna go up and around like that. And then I'm just gonna kind of like curve around and trace that line back. Just give it a little bit of a thickness. And there you have it. There's our adorable little baby mouse. Now, you guys can make your mouse kind of like more mousy colors, like gray, or you can make it kind of fun colors. So I usually, when I'm doing animals like this, I usually like to do fun colors. So I think I'm gonna do my mouse blue and pink. So the pink part, I always like to do the inside of the ears with the pink color. Always, always, always. Unless the animal is pink, then sometimes I might change this inner ear color. It might be like purple or something. But usually I like this color to be pink on the inside of the ears. And then I think for the belly, like this like spot on the belly, I think pink would be really cute there too. Oh, maybe even on the feet. I think my feet are gonna be pink. Yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna do the belly pink too. And then I feel like the rest of my mouse can probably be the blue color. But if I were doing this mouse a little more realistically, then I would probably make the rest of the mouse gray. But again, I like using fun colors. So you can even make like a rainbow polka dot mouse if you want. It'd be any colors you want. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you where I put this blue, and then you guys can go ahead and finish this on your own. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint the whole rest of the mouse with this blue. So I'm gonna paint like the face, which that's important, you gotta get your face on. Although if you wanted to, you could put little pink cheeks on there too. You could put little pink like circles on the cheeks. Sometimes I'll do that with my furry animals. All right, so I've got the head, and then I go around the ears with the same color. And again, this could be gray for you, it could be purple for you, it could be orange, it could be any color you want. And I'm gonna just keep going. So like the arms, those are gonna be blue. And then down here, the rest of the belly, the outside of that pinky middle of the belly, that's all gonna be blue. And the tail could be blue or pink. It could really go either way. I think I'm gonna make mine blue today. All right, guys, thank you so much for coloring with me today. This little baby mouse is adorable. I hope you had so much fun, and I hope you join me again tomorrow because we're still posting these